Hello, I want to take a couple of minutes to walk through the how to get your bike up on the center stand. Of course, there's been a bunch of videos that have already been done on it. The wife, a month ago, bought me this 2018 Honda Goldwing GL 1800 DCT. Never had a Goldwing before, and actually I'd been out of biking for about 15 years, and she bought it for me as our 42nd anniversary. As I said, she bought it about a month ago. Today's June 13th, 2020. Our anniversary was actually 3 days ago. So I've had it for a month and had a terrible time trying to figure out how to get the thing up on the center stand. Watched all the videos and all that stuff, and didn't really help. As you can see, I could get it down with no trouble, but getting the thing up, I think it would help if I'd get the footrest out of the way. Okay, we get it up, and hand right here, right hand here, left hand here, push down, and well, I'll be darned, it went up. It usually doesn't. So anyway, let's try that again. About the time I show you I can't do it, let's try this again. Okay, well anyway, I can't do it that way. So, I want to show you a couple alternatives that I figured out. First, we're going to discuss the physics of this. Number one, you do not lift up the bike. Trust me, I've tried it. I screwed up my right elbow pretty good. Come up here and pick it up, it just doesn't work. So, you don't lift up the bike. The center stand lifts up the bike. What you want to do is give it some reverse motion. So you want to push the bike this way and let the center stand actually pick it up. So a couple of alternatives that I found to getting it up, come on, stay here in the picture, is one, put your foot down. Spring's not working. Warranty replaced? I don't know. Get your foot, center the ball of your foot on it like they say you're supposed to. Right hand, grab the passenger back here. Put your knee right in the saddlebag. Get your left hand here, and then just rock it. Push it down a little bit, and just rock the bike. And then when you pull it back from rocking it, it just comes up just as sweet as all can get out. So you're not lifting up. You're using your knee and the combination of the bike rocking back, you're leaning backwards, you're pushing down just hard enough. So take your bike, again, you're not lifting the bike up. You're pushing the center stand down. Remember that. Push the center stand down. So your right hand here doesn't lift up. What it's doing is it's holding you in place so you can push down. So you have just enough strength here just to hold you down. You're not muscling it up. You're pulling yourself down. And then with your right knee cradled in the saddlebag, if you have a saddlebag, then you just push backwards. But for those of you that are smaller, patience, I'm 61, I'm out of breath. Again, rock it, push it down on the forks, see how it's springy? And you can see it's rocking on the bottom. And then you hardly have to put any pressure at all. It just pops right up. Another way you can do it, that I like, is, come on, stay here. They're going to tell you that you have to do it on a flat surface. What if you don't have a flat surface? And I'm at work. You can tell there's a few semis floating over here. You can only see the one. But I just got off work after a 500-mile drive, so you have to park it where you can. Another way is to get like this, heel. With your knee faced this way. Same grip, grab here. Your right hand's in the same spot. And then just walk it back. That works for me, or you can, I'm heavy enough, I weigh about 240 pounds. I'm heavy enough that if I put that there and just lean, but you could still rock it. rock it, and it comes up easy enough that I'm out of breath, but it works. So anyway, rule number one, you're not picking up the bike. Don't try to pick up the bike. It's 840 some pounds. Don't pick it up. Let the center stand pick it up. Your role is to push down on the center stand, so you're not exerting upward force. You're pushing down on the center stand while at the same time you're pushing the bike backwards. And regardless of the technique, whether you do it like this, facing the bike, or whether you do it like this, either way around, you're pushing the bike backwards and you're pushing down on the center stand. You're letting the bike do the center stand do the lifting. So we just rock it gently, give it a little push, and up it goes. And now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go pass out. Thank you.